Action words. Start. To make the engine begin working.
Start the car before driving.
Stop. To make the vehicle come to a halt.
Stop at the red light.
Drive. To operate the vehicle.
Drive carefully on the highway.
Park. To leave a vehicle in a place.
Park the car near the entrance.
Reverse. To move a vehicle backward.
Reverse the car slowly.
Accelerate. To increase speed.
Accelerate when the road is clear.
Brake. To slow down or stop a vehicle.
Brake before the turn.
Turn. To change direction.
Turn right at the next street.
Steer. To control the direction of a vehicle.
Steer the car carefully.
Shift. To change gears.
Shift into second gear.
Buckle. To fasten a seatbelt.
Buckle your seatbelt.
Unbuckle. To unfasten a seatbelt.
Unbuckle your seatbelt after parking.
Honk. To sound the horn.
Honk the horn if necessary.
Signal. To show your driving intention.
Signal before changing lanes.
Overtake. To pass another vehicle.
Overtake only when it is safe.
Yield. To let others go first.
Yield to pedestrians at the crossing.
Refuel. To fill the fuel tank.
Refuel the car at the gas station.
Recharge. To charge an electric vehicle.
Recharge the battery overnight.
Wash. To clean with water.
Wash the car every weekend.
Wipe. To clean with a cloth.
Wipe the windshield carefully.
Inflate. To fill with air.
Inflate the tires before your trip.
Check. To examine something carefully.
Check the engine oil regularly.
Open. To move something so it is not closed.
Open the car door gently.
Close. To shut something.
Close the trunk securely.
Lock. To secure with a lock.
Lock the car before leaving.
Unlock. To open a lock.
Unlock the car with the key.
Load. To put things into a vehicle.
Load the luggage into the trunk.
Unload. To remove things from a vehicle.
Unload the bags after the trip.
Tow. To pull a vehicle with another vehicle.
Tow the broken car to a garage.
Inspect. To check carefully for problems.
Inspect the tires before a long journey.